When considering a display or merchandiser, our goal at Structural Concepts is to make it a seamless process from the initial installation to its ongoing operation. First, check the environmental specifications and the placement of your unit. Refrigerated and heated merchandisers must be placed in an environment with proper air ventilation. Consider the 5-10-15 rule when determining where to place equipment. Stay 5 feet away from an exterior window, 10 feet away from HVAC vents, and 15 feet away from an exterior door. Refer to additional location details in our product design guides. Also, take into consideration the ventilation requirements for the refrigerated models. All Structural Concepts self-contained refrigerated models must have barrier-free air intake and discharge. Refer to each model's product specification sheet for details on the necessary airflow. The startup procedure is hassle-free. Simply plug in the model and you're ready to go. Self-contained refrigerated models include an onboard condensate pan for defrost water and a preset controller for defrost cycles. Refer to our startup video on our website's resources page. Our self-contained refrigerated models only require monthly cleaning of the condenser coil as part of its maintenance schedule. Refer to the model's operating manual for details. As an option, our Clean Sweep award-winning technology solves the problem of dirty, clogged condenser coils, helping prevent costly breakdowns and expensive service calls. Using an electronically controlled brush mechanism that automatically cleans dust and debris from the condenser coil daily, the brush assembly cycles every 24 hours, so dust doesn't collect and build up on the coil fins, presenting a lack of airflow that would force the compressor to work harder and consume more energy to maintain the desired temperature. With Clean Sweep, a thorough cleaning once per year is all that's required. For any additional questions, please contact our customer service department at 1-800-433-9489 or email us at product.info@structuralconcepts.com. By building merchandisers with the shortest industry lead times that last longer, save energy, and minimize operating costs, Structural Concepts makes it easier to better display and sell more fresh food today and tomorrow. Structural Concepts, delivering fresh, always.